Hi, it's Paul Cross. We're talking more today about audio creation for radio. Remember in our earlier video, we talked about how you might structure a short radio feature. We said that take the idea that you have 5 minutes of airtime, you want to have a 5-minute show, and here's how you might structure a show. Now, once it's done, what are you going to do? What is this? Don't we need to name it? I think a show needs a name. In radio, any piece of audio you create, edit, produce, or receive will always have a name. This show should have a name. Let's call it My Show, okay? My Show. Maybe you're not the only student creating a show. Maybe there are a series of shows called My Show. Maybe we should call your show My Show 1. And maybe the other shows have other numbers. Okay, we have My Show 1. My show here is My Show 1 represented as the show My Show 1. Now what do I need to know? I've created the show. I want to pass it on to some people so that they can use it on the radio. Or maybe it's going to go into a podcast or be distributed some other way. What else will I need to know about it? I know it's called My Show. I wonder how long it is. Oh, there's a good idea. This show, we decided, is 5 minutes. So we're going to need to know over here how long it is. I'm going to write that here in this space because what we call this is the running time. My Show 1 is 5 minutes long. That's interesting. I have a show I can run now. It's called My Show 1. It's 5 minutes long. If I put it on the radio, how will I know when it's over? Will I just watch for the time? Wait a minute. I wonder how it ends. Oh. Maybe the last words of the closing we talked about are, see you next time. So, My Show 1, ... ends with the phrase, see you next time, ... It's 5 minutes long. Our show has a name, what we call an out cue. How the show ends is what we call in radio an out cue. And how long it is we call the running time. Running time, how long the piece will take on air. Every piece of audio you ever handle in radio will have a name, an out cue, and a running time. My Show 1 that we've created here, My Show 1, out cue, see you next time, running time, 5 minutes. One other thing we need to think about before we put it on the air. The person working on air knows how long it is, how it ends, what it's called. I wonder what they should do before they play it. They need an intro, and we'll talk about that next time.